Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your order history on the Sam's Club app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to see what you purchased before on Sam's Club. How do you actually go ahead and see your purchase history on your Sam's Club app? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is you're going to access the Sam's Club app. Next, on the bottom hand side, you want to click on account. And then from here, you want to click on purchase history. So with this purchase history, you'll be able to see your purchase history online and in the club, and also using scan and go. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your purchase history when it comes to using the Sam's Club app. Now keep in mind that with your purchase history, you don't need to provide receipts in case you want to return something. They could actually go ahead and search up your account in order to see your purchase history. But let me know if you guys have any questions or know of a better way to actually do this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.